Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can fix the Pinterest not working error. Now, for you to fix your Pinterest not working error, firstly you'll have to make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that your device is connected to the internet, now there are various methods you can use to fix your Pinterest not working error. Now, the first method is to simply just find the Pinterest application on your phone and then uninstall it and then install it again. To uninstall the application, after you find it on your phone, you can long press it and click on the uninstall button, which shows up on the pop-up menu. Once you've uninstalled it, simply open up the Play Store application and on the search bar type in Pinterest and then install it again. Now, the second method is to open up the Play Store application again and to see if your application is up to date. Now, to do that, once the Play Store application opens up on your screen, click on the search bar and then type in Pinterest, and once the Pinterest application pops up, if the update button shows up on your screen, click on it. If the update button shows up on your screen, that means that your Pinterest application is not up to date and you'll have to install it. Now the third and final step is to open up the settings menu on your device. So go ahead and find the settings menu on your device or search for it like this. Once the settings menu opens up, find this apps option on this menu like this. Click on it. After you click on the apps option, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, click on this all apps option. After you click on the all apps option, all the applications on your device will be displayed on your screen. Now you can either go through this list and find the Pinterest application manually, or you can just simply click on the search bar on the top right corner of your screen and then type in Pinterest and then click on the Pinterest application. After you click on the Pinterest application, you will be redirected to the app info page of Pinterest. Now on this page, you'll see this force stop button. Now firstly, go ahead and click on that button and then click on OK on the dialog box that appears. And now you'll have to delete the extra cache from your device. To delete the extra cache, simply find the storage and cache option like this and click on it. After you click on it, you'll be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this clear cache option. After you click on this clear cache option, you will notice that the cache has been cleared and it is now 0 bytes. Now you can follow all these methods to fix this Pinterest not working error. I hope this video helped you to fix the Pinterest not working error. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.